Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tesla Stock Podcast. Just when you thought the waters around Tesla couldn't get any choppier, Elon Musk has decided to dive headfirst into the political deep end, and the fallout has been swift and severe. With the stock currently trading around the $315 mark after a volatile week, we have to unpack what this new political chapter means for Tesla and its investors. This is a big one. So let's get right into it. Our first and biggest story is the political earthquake set off by Elon Musk himself. Over the weekend, Musk announced on his social media platform, X, that he is forming a new political party, bluntly named the America Party. He stated, "When it comes to bankrupting our country with waste and graft, we live in a one-party system, not a democracy. Today, the America Party is formed to give you back your freedom." He has since added that the party will be pro-tech, pro-free speech, anti-regulation, and would even embrace Bitcoin. This move immediately reignited his explosive feud with President Donald Trump. On Truth Social, the president wrote, "I am saddened to watch Elon Musk go completely off the rails, essentially becoming a train wreck over the past 5 weeks." He added that third parties have never succeeded in the U.S., and that their only purpose is to create complete and total disruption and chaos. This is, to put it mildly, a massive escalation. After Musk left his role in the Trump administration, there was a brief sense of relief among investors that he was returning his focus to his companies. That relief has completely evaporated. This isn't just a series of posts anymore, it's the formation of an entire political movement, and it puts Tesla directly in the crossfire. That brings us directly to our second headline, the immediate and overwhelmingly negative backlash from investors. The market's reaction was not subtle. As soon as the news broke, Tesla shares fell more than 5% in pre-market trading. This isn't just abstract noise, it represents billions of dollars in market value disappearing on the back of a political announcement. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives, a longtime Tesla bull, captured the mood perfectly. He said Musk's decision is, quote, exactly the opposite direction that Tesla investors' shareholders want him to take during this crucial period for the Tesla story. He went on to say that while core supporters will back Musk no matter what, there is a broader sense of exhaustion from many Tesla investors that Musk keeps heading down the political track. Personally, I think that word exhaustion is key. The volatility driven by these political headlines is becoming a major drag. And we're seeing this play out with institutional money as well. The investment firm Azoria Partners announced it was delaying the launch of a new Tesla-linked ETF, specifically because Musk's announcement created a conflict with his full-time responsibilities as chief executive of Tesla. When planned financial products are put on ice, it's a clear signal that Wall Street is getting very nervous about this level of distraction. So, beyond the market drama, why does this really matter for the company's future? That brings us to our final segment, the real-world business blowback. This political feud isn't happening in a vacuum. It comes at a time when the president has just signed his major tax and spending bill into law, and it contains several crushing blows for Tesla. First, the $7,500 federal EV tax credit, a major incentive for U.S. buyers, will be completely eliminated after September 30th. We can expect a short-term rush of sales as people try to get in before the deadline. But after that, Tesla faces a potential sales cliff in its home market. Second, the bill immediately scraps the highly profitable zero-emission vehicle, or ZEV, credits in the U.S. To put this in perspective, in the first quarter, Tesla would have posted an operating loss if it weren't for the revenue from selling these credits to other automakers. They were essentially pure profit, and now that revenue stream is gone. And while all of this self-inflicted drama unfolds, the competition isn't waiting. A prime example is in China, where the new Xiaomi U7 crossover just launched. It reportedly received 200,000 orders in just 3 minutes and is seen as a major threat to the Tesla Model Y. While Elon Musk is focused on starting a political party, his rivals are focused on taking his market share. Even the robotaxi project, Tesla's great hope, isn't immune from issues, with a recent minor incident where a supervised vehicle brushed a parked car. It's a small thing, but it highlights that even the company's futuristic projects require intense focus, a focus that is clearly being divided. So to recap, Elon Musk has launched a new political party, triggering a furious response from President Trump and an immediate backlash from an exhausted investor base. This comes at the worst possible time, as new legislation eliminates key EV tax credits and ZEV profits, all while serious competition is heating up globally. This leads me to my question for you, and it's a big one. Do you think Elon Musk's political ambitions are now the single biggest risk for Tesla stock? Is this a fatal distraction that will permanently damage the company? Or is it just another chaotic chapter in the story of a visionary leader? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. And as always, if you got value from this breakdown, please hit that like button, subscribe to the Tesla Stock Podcast, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.